What kinds of personalities are cat lovers? For a very long time, people have thought of cats as mysterious and free-spirited creatures, which has contributed to their ability to win the hearts of many people. Although it is true that people of any personality type are able to love cats, there are certain qualities and characteristics that may predispose some people to be more likely to be cat lovers than others. In this video, we'll investigate the reasons why certain personality types have a natural affinity for felines, as well as the types of people who are most likely to have that affinity. Introverted and independent personalities. Cats are frequently associated with independent behavior, and people who possess introverted and independent personalities may find that they are drawn to the companionship of feline animals. Cats have a peaceful and quiet nature, which is something that introverts tend to appreciate, because they provide a sense of companionship without overwhelming social demands. Cats offer a sense of solace and comprehension, making them the perfect companions for people who enjoy spending time alone and engaging in self-reflection. People who are creative and artistic tend to see the world in unusual ways, and the mysterious and elegant nature of cats can encourage this type of thinking in people. Cats may serve as a wonderful source of motivation for creative types, such as musicians, writers, and artists, who watch the cat's mysterious antics and graceful movements. A serene setting that is conducive to the creative process can be provided by cats, thanks to the sense of seclusion and calm that they exude. Cats are known for their inquisitive and observant natures, which can be appealing to people who have analytical and thoughtful personalities because of these traits. Cats have a unique way of perceiving their environment, one that can be admired by people who take pleasure in self-reflection, figuring out challenges, and evaluating predicaments. Those who enjoy the challenge of deciphering difficult puzzles may find that observing the actions of cats and making an effort to comprehend their reasons for those behaviors can be a mentally stimulating exercise. Personalities that are compassionate and empathetic. Cats have a one-of-a-kind way of forming deep bonds with the humans who share their lives. Cats' innate gentleness and capacity for nurturing make them a popular pet choice for people who tend to be empathic and compassionate. Cats are known to provide their owners with a never-ending supply of companionship, as well as unconditional love when they are cared for and loved in return. Because of their sensitivity to their owner's feelings and their ability to soothe them, cats are the perfect pets for people who are naturally compassionate. Cats are well known for their self-sufficiency and capacity to adjust to a wide variety of environments. In addition, their personalities are known for being low maintenance and laid back. People whose personalities are low-key and laid-back frequently have an appreciation for the level of autonomy that cats possess. When compared to other types of pets, cats are typically more self-sufficient and demand less attention and effort from their owners. This enables people who prefer a more laid-back and relaxed way of life to enjoy the company of a cat without feeling overwhelmed by excessive demands by giving them the opportunity to do so. It is essential to emphasize that even though some types of people are more likely to be drawn to cats than others, this does not imply that people with other types of personalities are unable to appreciate the companionship that cats provide, no matter who they are or where they come from. Cats have the uncanny ability to make people happy and give them a sense of security, no matter what background they come from. Cats are appealing to a wide variety of personality types. However, certain traits and characteristics may cause certain individuals to be more predisposed to prefer the company of felines. People with introverted, independent, creative, analytical, compassionate, empathetic. Low maintenance and easygoing personalities are frequently attracted to the mysterious and independent nature of cats. However, cats have an uncanny ability to enchant people of all walks of life, bestowing love, companionship, and happiness upon anyone who allows themselves to be vulnerable enough to let them in.